So today we are making pasta, right? The white sauce pasta, you can call it Alfredo pasta, you can call it a cheesy pasta or something like that. So the ingredients that I'm taking is, for the chicken, I have taken 250 grams of chicken and I'm adding some spices in it. You can see in the you can see in the description, or you can see that the measurement of the spices that I'm using. I'm using lemon juice, which is a very important ingredient in this recipe, and I'm taking some ginger garlic paste and I'm going to mix it all in the chicken and I'm going to fry it. The pasta that I'm using for this white sauce fettuccine pasta or chicken Alfredo pasta, I'm not making a chicken Alfredo pasta, but I'm using penne pasta, right? Just using a penne pasta. You can use any shape you want. You can also make this with the Alfredo. It is absolutely done. I'm going to take it out from the stove. White sauce, I'm using few ingredients. I have taken mushrooms, I've taken butter, cream, milk. I've taken 5 slices of cheese, and I've taken these spices. You can see in the description bar. I have mentioned all the measurement of the spices and all the ingredients. I have taken 2.5 cups of milk, and I have taken 1 cup mushrooms, and I'm going to prepare the white sauce. Right now I'm just in the butter, in the melted butter, 2 tablespoons, I've added the mushrooms and I'm going to let it fry for 2 minutes. After I fried the mushrooms, I added the 1 cup cream in it. Now I'm going to add in the milk in it. I'm going to add it and let it simmer. So guys, the milk is simmered. I've put all the spices in. I'm going to put the cheese inside now, one by one. Guys, I've added the cheese in, and I'm going to let it melt in the milk. I have added all the chicken after the cheese has melted. After I've added the chicken, now I'm going to add all the pasta in. I have used 250 grams of pasta. This creamy pasta, white sauce pasta, is absolutely ready. What makes this delicious, what makes this pasta more delicious, is the white sauce. So you have to give it a try, guys. If you feel the need that, if you think that the milk is a bit less, you can add more milk into this mixture. It comes out great, guys. I have just garnished it with some coriander. Please give it a try and subscribe to my channel for more recipes, guys. So guys, you can see that the pasta is so creamy and delicious. It will come delicious, guys. You can make it over the weekend. It's so amazing. It's so yummy, guys. I had a bite. It's so delicious. Give it a try and subscribe to my channel.